The iPhone 16e is a budget-friendly alternative to the iPhone 16, but it is not as affordable as it has been marketed with a noticeable price difference of $200 or almost 20,000 rupees. While both devices share similar designs and core functionalities, the key differences make each model appealing to different users. But I don't think anyone with the right mind would buy the iPhone 16e because the device is way too expensive for what it offers. But still, if you want to buy, then pre-orders have already begun at 6:30 p.m. on February 21st, with availability starting on February 28th. Now, let's explore the differences in both devices to help you make a sound decision. Both phones come with a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 60 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a sharp and smooth viewing experience. However, the iPhone 16 stands out with its dynamic island, offering a more interactive way to manage notifications and background activities. In contrast, the iPhone 16e sticks with the traditional notch design seen in previous models. Both displays are protected by ceramic shield for added durability, but the user experience differs due to the more advanced interface on the iPhone 16. In terms of build, both devices feature a glass-metal combination design with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. They also come equipped with the Action button, but the iPhone 16e lacks camera capture functionality and MagSafe support, making it a slightly less feature-rich option. Performance-wise, both devices run on the same processor, but the iPhone 16 has a more powerful 5-core GPU, while the iPhone 16e has a 4-core GPU. This difference makes the iPhone 16e less powerful and inefficient as compared to the chip found in the iPhone 16. Additionally, the iPhone 16 uses a Snapdragon X75 modem for cellular connectivity, whereas the iPhone 16e debuts Apple's in-house C15G modem, which has slightly lower upload and download speeds. Both models offer 8 GB of RAM and start at 128 GB of internal storage, with options for up to 512 GB. One of the biggest differences lies in the camera setup. While both phones feature a 48-megapixel Fusion main camera, the iPhone 16 has a larger 1x1.56-inch sensor compared to the 1x2.55-inch sensor on the iPhone 16e. This results in improved image quality, especially in low-light conditions. So the camera offered in iPhone 16e is not good enough. Additionally, the iPhone 16 includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, enabling it to capture 3D or spatial videos, a feature absent in the iPhone 16e. However, both models offer the same 12-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Battery performance is quite similar, with the iPhone 16e offering up to 26 hours of video playback, while the iPhone 16 provides 27 hours. Both support 20-watt wired charging and wireless charging, but only the iPhone 16 includes MagSafe, allowing for faster 25-watt wireless charging, whereas the iPhone 16e is limited to 7.5-watt. For those on a tight budget under 60,000 rupees or $600, the iPhone 16e delivers solid performance and essential features. However, if you can stretch your budget by 20,000 rupees or $200, the iPhone 16 offers a more refined experience with better cameras, faster charging, and enhanced display features. If you still want something at around $500, you could get an iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 14 in that range from third-party sellers with offers and cashback. What do you think about the iPhone 16e? Will you buy it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.